Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Facebook Meta account to your Shopify account. So to connect, you have to log in or sign up your account in Shopify. Then you have to have a Facebook business ID. I am just logging it Facebook business manager account or Facebook Manage account that will be accessed by you when you will log in to your ID. So this is my account that is there, business account, as you can see. So let's create it's a main page. I will connect this main page to my Shopify store. So let's connect. To connect, you have to click on this button, apps. Then you have to select. You have to just search Facebook, or you can click on this. It will open a next store. Just click on Facebook, search Facebook, press Facebook and Instagram. Then you have to click enter. Then as you can see, this app, Facebook and Instagram, as we can see, this is you can you can get a shop insights and including the best performing product and the tag contact. Second, you can get a help drive, better ad performance. If you means ad without connecting Facebook, you will face some issue, but when you will connect your account with your Facebook business, you will do very easily your advertisement, easily to set up with your shop with one time account connection. Sell from one inventory that automatically syncs to your shop. You can the Meta will link your Facebook account and Shopify account. If customer will come and buy through Facebook, it will be automatically sync with Shopify. Get email and live chat support from Meta Facebook will live chat and they will support. You can read the reviews. You can read if you want to read. So let's add this app to our Shopify store. So by clicking this, app is added. As we can see, we can read the details. Privacy details, what this sales channel can access in your store. This will access your contact information, location, device information, activity, your contact information and location. It will view and it will view your customer, view product, edit orders, and you can read all things that you want to add. Let us add the sales channel. By clicking this, it will open a new tab. Just wait. As you can see, the tab is saying start setting on Facebook and Instagram. Since now we can just add our account to Shopify and then we can sell. If you want to advertise your product on Shopify, you have to do start setup button. Just click on this, wait for some time. We have to add our Facebook business account to get started. Let us connect our account to Meta. My account is restricted. You cannot set up a store as catalog at this time. My account is suspended because in India it's not there, Shopify, but I can tell you how you can. Then you can by doing this, you will be redirected to your product page. Then you can add the product like I am adding here. Same way you can add there. You want to just do the title, like title here. I'm writing t-shirts. Then you have to write a description, like it's a sample. You have to add your photos, not your photos, your product photos. You have to add. I'm selling a t-shirt design. Let us see. It's a t-shirt design for women's. You just click this. We can set our store price. Let us set as $4.99. Let us cost item. Let us cost. It will cost our same as 4.99, and our profit will be approx. We can add our profit. We compare at price, like we can price compare to $30. We can add here cost of item. Then we can track our quantity. Like I'm not taking this. You can add your banner barcode or your keep in stock units. You can add. I'm not adding. It's a physical product. You have to give the weight that will be there. Let us add as t-shirt will be approx like 300 gram, like 500, not kilo, it's gram. You have to add the options like color, size. Let us just add a size medium. Done. Like we have to add like medium. Another value, we have like medium, like another value. What's the another value? Let's do 10. No, we have to add like another value, medium, small, large. Done. These are the all variants. Will cost like available. We can write as 100 on hand. 100. We can do 100. We can just edit this also. Search engine, title, search, description. This is the search URL. We can do just save. When we save, it will create the product. As in India, it's not available. Your Facebook store, you can do in your country if it's available. This, as you can see, this our t-shirt is ready. You can change your vendor name also. My name is anything that randomly thought written. If you find the video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.